Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Laravel school management system using AI for free. You don't need to do any coding here. What you have to do, you just have to install OpenCode CLI in your PC, and then OpenCode will actually do the whole project for you. So to install OpenCode CLI, you need to have three things in your PC. One is Node.js, another one is Composer, and we need a server to run the server-side scripting language, and that is XAMPP. So why we are using XAMPP? Because XAMPP will provide us two server. One is localhost server, another one is MySQL database server. So just go to the browser and download these three things. And here at first go for the XAMPP, then go for the Composer, then go for the Node.js. So just go to the download link, and here you will find long-term support version. If you click here, so go with the long-term support version and then download the .msi. So you just have to download this and install it in your PC. After that, download Composer. But before Composer, you have to download XAMPP. So you have to actually download XAMPP at first and then go for the Composer. And I'm assuming that you can install XAMPP, Composer and Node.js in your PC. So if you go to the CMD, if you type node-v, you'll find the Node.js version, and then if you say here php-v, you will get the PHP version also, and if you say Composer, you will find Composer version also. Let's go for the OpenCode CLI. So type here OpenCode CLI GitHub and go for the github.com SST OpenCode. So click here in the link, and now it will actually took you to the installation page. Here you can see installation. So if you are from Linux, you have to go with the first one, and if you are from the Windows, you have to go with the package manager. So you can see npm i-g OpenCode-AI at latest. So copy this and open command prompt. So type here cmd and run as administrator, and paste the command here and hit enter to install this in your PC. I already installed in my PC. Let me show you. If you type here OpenCode and hit enter, OpenCode will be open here. Here you can see. Now you have to write what you actually want. So we're going to generate a prompt through any GPT. Let's say I want to do it with ChatGPT. Make sure you have start XAMPP. So go for the XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL both server. Here you go. So I have installed XAMPP in the C drive. No matter in which drive you have actually installed it, you will find a folder called XAMPP. So go inside the folder, and here we have a folder called htdocs. So inside htdocs, if you need to create any project, you have to create inside htdocs. But in Laravel, we can actually create Laravel project anywhere in our PC through Composer. Global required Laravel/installer. Now open command prompt here, and here I'm going to create the Laravel project. So I will actually say at first Composer global require Laravel/installer. So if you find this error, remove zip extension. Here you can see from the XAMPP PHP folder and then php.ini. So what I have to do, we have to actually go for the targeted folder, and that is XAMPP. So here you can see XAMPP. Go inside the XAMPP folder. You will find a folder called PHP. Go inside of it, and here you will find php.ini. Here you can see PHP. So we are not seeing here the extension. So what I have to do, click here view, show, then check file name extensions. Now we'll find php.ini. Here you can see, edit it. So I'm going to actually open it through Notepad. Here you can see. Now I'll search semicolon zip. Sorry, it may be, what is this? Extension. Okay. So we'll go for the semicolon extension. Here you go. Extension is equal to zip. What do you have to search? You have to search for extension equal to zip. Make sure you have semicolon also. So what I have to do, I have to just remove the semicolon from here. That's it. And save the file. You may actually restart the CMD or command prompt. So let's go inside gem, htdocs. Here we are going to open command prompt once again. And here we are going to say composer global require Laravel / installer. Hit enter. Now this time it will work. Now we are going to create Laravel project. So I'll say Laravel new, and the project name will be school management AI. So this is our project, school management AI. Okay, hit enter. Now we have to complete some step. So go step by step. So here you can see we got our project here, school management AI, and we have here all the files. Now let's go to the ChatGPT. So open chatgpt.com, and here we are going to say that we are going to ask for a prompt, but before that we are going to mention all the things related to our project. Basically you have to mention all the steps that what you need in your project, and it will actually give you a prompt. Here you see. Now go through the prompt, and if you need to change anything, just regenerate it. Okay, I'm okay with it, so I'm going to actually copy this, go to the project directory. So here is the project htdocs, and then here is the project. Here we are going to open command prompt, and here we are going to open OpenCode CLI because we have already installed it, right? OpenCode and hit enter to open OpenCode here. Now we just have to copy the prompt, and then we have to paste it here, and we have to hit enter, and now we have to wait until the project is done. Okay, you can see it will actually work step by step, every single thing. I mean, it will execute all the file, and if it is find any error, it will show the error, and it will actually complete the error also. I mean, it will solve the error also. Here you can see it will actually go step by step. So in the right side you can actually see all the steps. So to do's, it means it will do all the steps, and if it is complete any step, there will be a tick mark. So let's just wait for it. So guys, here you can see it complete the whole project. Now let's check the project at first, and here here is the project. Here you can see. So now we are going to actually open command prompt here once again. Why? Because you need to actually run the server. So I say php artisan start to run the server, and we just have to copy this. Hit enter to copy this. Let's go back to the browser, and here we are going to paste it. Okay, and hit enter, and here we go. Now we got this nice school management system, and here you can see this is the home page. Now if I go to the login, here you can see we have a nice login form, and here the default login is admin@school.com, let's say, and then password is password. So now we are going to say login. Here you can see we got error, so not an issue. We just have to actually copy the error and paste it in the OpenCode CLI so that it solve the issue. And we are going to go to the OpenCode CLI, and here we are going to paste it, and we'll just say that okay, don't change anything except this issue, because sometimes it happens that it actually changes the whole project. It will actually go step by step, and you can check every single line. If it is find any error, then it will actually fix the error. We don't need to do any coding here. Now let's go once again, and we are going to now refresh it to check that admin dashboard is working or not. Let's go back to the previous page at first. So refresh here. You can see once again we are getting problem here. So we are going to copy this. Basically every single time if you find any issue, just mention the issue here, and it will actually go for the solve. So that's it. This is how actually you can make your project more professional, right? I mean, you don't need to do any coding. You just have to mention the issues. That's it.